Today is gonna be a great day and the start of some great vlogs because I'm going on a cruise. So it's around 5 o'clock and we're gonna be driving down to New Jersey. Usually we go to Florida, as you know, but this time we're going down to New Jersey to go on Anthem of the Seas, which we went on last March break at the same port. Like, we're doing the exact same thing, staying at the same hotel, everything. But this time we're going with family friends who've never cruised before. So it should be fun. Stay tuned. These are gonna be really good vlogs. And I just got my nails done. Blue with an anchor, and then that's like waves. Big anchor on my toes. Got some movies to watch in the car. Everything fits perfect. Okay, we got everyone. Hour and a half late, but we made it past the border. Busting out the DS. We're in Syracuse right now. I've been here before. I had a hockey tournament here last year.
Is it that bad you're leaving?
Are we there yet?
You're driving me nuts!
I'm so scared that someone's gonna break in the car.
I am not sharing a room with him for 9 nights. I said to Dave, I want to bring all the... He's like, we're bringing our one...
Out of my face. Gun it. Take it.
Joe,
gun it. Stop it.
Sure.
Video that we're getting Wendy's.
So we're at the hotel. We just went and ordered Wendy's. Now we're gonna bring our suitcases in, check in, and then go back get it and eat. Cookies? So it's like 12:30. We're gonna call it a night because we're getting up at like 7:30 tomorrow because we have another 3 hours to drive down to Jersey. Here's a little room tour. Left, you've got like fridge, microwave, closet, bathroom, toilet, shower, me, right, luggage, tube.
You have to record everything you eat?
Yeah. Starting the day with nice breakfast. I got some nice oatmeal. All the troops are rallied. Good morning. My mom just bashed her head on that, still swinging. We got the car ready. Now we're just leaving the hotel. We got a 3-hour drive down to somewhere in Jersey. Connor and Tyler and them left before so they can go to the New Jersey hockey arena. So we're gonna meet up with them at the cruise port. Pulled a prank. He like hid behind the car and just left Belle in the car with the doors open and scared my mom. Because nothing could happen to precious Belle.
That's right.
If it was me on the other hand, I'd be like, hallelujah.
No one loves you.
Or have you got gum?
No.
Get rid of it now. Put your window down and get rid of the gum now.
No, because she's gonna miss and it's gonna
Brennan,
come back.
I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, hold your camera.
The cruise port is like half an hour away and you can see New York City distance.